Hello everyone, my name is Melinda B. Tagalogin. Today, I am going to discuss the importance of writing the business plan. A well-written business plan is essential for guiding your business strategy and attracting investors. It should be a living document that you update as your business grows and market conditions change. Why is a business plan and why is it important? Business plan is a formal document that outlines a company's goals, strategies, market analysis, financial projections, and operational plans. It is important because it serves as a roadmap for the business, guiding decision making and helping to secure funding from investors or lenders by clearly demonstrating the viability and potential profitability of the venture. I write down some importance of a business plan. Number one is guides business direction. It helps entrepreneurs clarify their business idea and set clear goals. Number two, attracts investors. A well-structured business plan can pursue investors or lenders to provide funding. Number three, identifies potential challenges. It allows business owners to anticipate challenges and plan strategies to overcome them. Number four, measures progress. A business plan provides benchmarks to measure progress against goals. Number two guide question is, what are the major sections of a business plan? There are 10 major sections of a business plan. Number one, executive summary. A brief overview of the business, its mission, and key financial highlights. Number two, company description. Information about the business, including its legal structure, mission, and vision. Number three, market analysis. Research on the industry, target market, and competitive landscape. Number four, organization and management. Details about the business structure, ownership, and management team. Number five, products and services. Description of the products or services offered, including pricing and unique selling points. Number six, marketing and sales strategy. Strategy for attracting and retaining customers. Number seven, financial projections. Detailed forecast of revenue, expenses, and profitability. Number eight, funding request. If seeking funding, this section outlines the amount needed and how it will be used. Number nine, risk analysis. Identification of potential risks and strategies to mitigate them. Number 10, implementation timeline. A timeline for achieving key milestone. Number 3 question is about how can market analysis guide decision making? Market analysis, provides insight into industrial trends, customer preferences, and competitor strategies, such as identify opportunities. These opportunities can recognize gaps in the market that the business can exploit. Number 2, understand customer needs. These customer needs can tailor products or services to meet the specific needs of the target audience. Number 3, set competitive pricing. To analyze competitor to establish pricing strategies that attract customers while ensuring profitability. Number 4, make informed decisions. This data used to guide marketing strategies, product development, and expansion plans. Number 5 question is, why should financial planning be realistic? For me, financial planning should be realistic to ensure that individuals can set achievable goals based on their actual financial situation. When financial plans are grounded in reality, they take into account current income, expenses, and potential market fluctuations, which help in creating a sustainable path towards financial stability. Unrealistic plans often to lead disappointment and financial stress, as individuals may find themselves unable to meet their goals due to overestimating their income or underestimating their expenses. Moreover, realistic financial planning encourages individuals to build emergency funds and save and dedicate for retirement which are essential for long-term security. It also fosters a sense of accountability as individuals can track their progress against measurable. Additionally, realistic plans can help in managing debt more effectively as they allow for proper budgeting and prioritizations of payments. Here are some importance of realistic financial planning. Number 1, feasibility assessment. Realistic financial projections help determine whether the business idea is visible. Number 2, attracting funding. Investors and lenders are more likely to support a business with credible financial forecasts. Number 3, resource allocation. Accurate financial planning ensures that resources are allocated effectively to different areas of the business. Number 4, risk management. Realistic projections help identify potential financial risks and prepare for them. So that is the importance of realistic financial planning if you build a business. For number 5 question, how can a business plan help in attracting investors or partners? It helps attract investors or partners by clearly presenting the business idea and its potential for growth. For example, if a startup plans to launch a new app, the business plan would detail the app's features, target market, and revenue model. This information shows investors how their money will be used and the expected return on investment. Additionally, a well-structured business plan demonstrates professionalism and preparedness, which can build trust with potential partners. Ultimately, it provides comprehensive overview that helps stakeholders understand the business vision and its path to success. Some strategies to attract the investors or partners. Number one, demonstrate viability. A comprehensive business plan shows that the business idea is well thought out and has potential for success. Number two, build credibility. A detailed plan reflects professionalism and thoroughness, which can instill confidence in potential investors or partners. Number three, clarifies investments needs. It outlines how much funding is needed and how it will be used, making it easier for investors to understand the opportunity. Number four, shows growth potential. Financial projections and market analysis highlight the potential for growth and return on investment, making the business more attractive to investors. I provide short summary about writing the business plan. So, a business plan is essential for guiding a business strategy, attracting investment, and ensuring that the business is prepared for challenges and opportunities. Each section of the plan plays a crucial role in providing a comprehensive view of the business and its potential for success. So that is my summary about my report for the writing the business plan. So through my report, I summarize some question. So I provide 4 questions for my report. Number 1 is, what are the key components of a business plan? How often should a business plan be updated? How can a business plan help in securing funding? How does market analysis benefit a business? So that's all. Thank you for listening, everyone. Bye-bye.